study. I've got no time to waste. It's funny and it's ironic that my mind just says delay. I promised today'd be different, it'd be a productive day, but I don't know. I wanna take step early, but maybe later is fine. Ignore the exhaustion inside you, power through tonight. I tell them it's just a quick break, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove them right. And please, 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 don't bring me to tears. I don't have time to take step one twice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, procrastinator. Oh, please, please, please. Well, I have a fun idea, baby. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the U-World block is so nice.
Right?
And we could vacay happily if we just took step one early. No pressure, but really, 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 please, 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 let us be right. And please, 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 our brains hurt. Please let the questions be over for tonight. Burnout is one thing, but passing's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, procrastinator. Oh, please, please, please.
Cool. You can say that I know nothing, but is that true? Guess I'm the fool as I'm flipping through first aid without a single clue. But I don't wanna call it off, I really wanna get that pass. You assembly might be the death of me, but you can find me studying all night. Shoot another shot of caffeine just to feel it. You can review all your wrong cards. No excuse to start another U-World session. Go back step, go back step. You'd have to stop the world to stop me from passing. Go back step, go back step. You'd have to stop the world to stop me from passing. I'm stressed, who cares? It's a never-ending grind and it's just not fair. I cry, it's not rare. I just need a little sleep, I just need a little air. Maybe I should call it off, but maybe I can power through. I just wanna pass this test and go to Kabul. You can find me studying all night. Shoot another shot of caffeine just to feel it. You can review all your own key cards. No excuse to start another U-World session. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. You'd have to stop the world to stop me from passing. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. You'd have to stop the world to stop me from passing. So when you stay up doing cards in the middle of the night with your head in your hands, just know you'll be alright. And when you think about this many years down the road, you're standing face to face with how far you could go. You know you'll have to see just how far you'll go. You